Definitely some big news on the medical front, big news on the weather front. We have got the heat out there in abundance. It's still pretty warm tonight, but thankfully the humidity is on the low side, and that is definitely helping us out. We'll take a look first at a weather impact alert we've got. It's cooking for tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. into the evening, and that's because of heat indices that are expected to top 105 to 107 degrees area wide. We could even see some numbers that are higher than that. So if you are outside, make sure you stay hydrated and take plenty of breaks. Try to stay out of the sun and try to stay in the shade. Even better yet, get in that air conditioning as much as possible, especially during the peak heating of the afternoon. It is a nice, calm, quiet night out there. It is 90 degrees officially at the San Antonio International Airport, and we're seeing a temperature for the feels like of 92. Last few hours, there hasn't been much of a feels like. It's been exactly at the air temperature. Now it's at 92. They figured that out when you factor in that humidity, which sits there at 45%. That was in the 26% range about an hour ago, so that's gone up quite a bit. It'll continue to do so overnight tonight. That's what usually happens during the overnight hours. And the winds are out of the southeast right now, a little breezy at 15 miles per hour. Temperatures across the area, mostly 80s and 90s. We're seeing a 93 in Cotulla, 87 in San Marcos. Austin sitting there at 90. Del Rio, 92. Rock Springs cooler at 81. We're seeing an 85 in Gonzales, Hallettsville, 81. And Pleasanton, a very warm temperature of 86 degrees. Factoring the humidity, this is what it feels like. 93 in Gonzales, 91 New Braunfels, Austin sitting at 94, and a nice cool 80 is the feels like temperature in Rock Springs. Here's that heat advisory. It goes into effect starting at noon tomorrow, runs until 8 for all these counties shaded in dark orange. That includes Bexar County of the I-35 corridor towards Austin and out 10 towards Houston as well. That's when heat indices will rise above 105 degrees. Future feels like temperature showing a 105 on our future forecast model here for San Antonio during the late afternoon tomorrow. 106 Carrizo Springs, and we'll do it again on your Saturday. Sunday will look a lot like this too. Monday of next week, Tuesday of next week. We're just hitting that repeat button quite a bit now. Radar is dry, and the reason is thanks to a big area of high pressure that's sitting over the central and western U.S. We've also got this upper level area of low pressure to our south, but not a lot of moisture to work with. But it is going to bring some cloud cover and to at least our southern and central counties somewhat during the next couple of days. Upper level pattern showing the ridge of high pressure in charge. It's centered over the desert southwest. It'll expand, though, over much of Texas as we head into the weekend and most of next week. By the end of next week, it looks like it could start to break down a little bit, allowing some cooler area. And as it backs off to the west, we'll keep our fingers crossed that is what happens. Futurecast walks you through it. Will be partly cloudy in the morning starting tomorrow. Temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 70s. By the end of the day, upper 80s, upper 90s rather, low 100s. I wish it was upper 80s. Upper 90s, low 100s, mostly sunny skies. Some more clouds to the south and west as that low sits nearby. And we'll do it again on Friday. Mostly clear skies in the morning. Temperatures in the 70s. And then by the end of the day, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 90s and low 100s. This model shows the chance for an isolated shower or storm coming in Friday. I think the chance will be few and far between. Most of us just plain old dry. 101 the high for tomorrow with very hot temperatures, and it feels like again over 105. 7-day forecast showing the 101 for tomorrow, 102 Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and we'll pretty much stay there Tuesday and Wednesday also. So very hot into the middle of next week with little to no chance for measurable rain. Nate is coming back after this break with sports.